if you're able to score around 60% during the mock test, then you have a high confidence and high probability that you would pass the real examination, because the mock tests are much more harder than the real examination, I would say. That's from my experience. My name is Angel Jose. I'm from Kochi, Kerala. I'm a BCom graduate, and I've also completed my postgraduate diploma in management, specialized in finance and marketing. And very recently, I've cleared my US CPA as well. And I'm currently working as a tax consultant at Deloitte. Actually, I would start a lesson or a particular chapter by watching the recorded webinar sessions, because it gives an idea about, okay, what are we going to study in that particular chapter, or what are the main topics in that. Then after that, I would go through the recorded video sessions provided in LMS for chapter wise, and followed by the MCQs provided there. And after that, I would read through the books on that particular session, or what are the main topics in that. And once one chapter is completed, I'm confident that, okay, I'm ready with this chapter, I would move on with the next chapters. For us students like international who has less exposure towards US accounting and US basics or fundamentals, he explains it in a very layman term, so that even if we have a less accounting basics or accounting background, we can understand it. And also the mnemonics which we uses, I found it very useful, because we don't need to by heart each and every point. At least we should have those mnemonics in our mind, so that once we are there in the exam center, we can just remember the mnemonics and we can build upon that. It's very useful. So using those mnemonics and those underlinings, highlighting on those textbooks, these are very small things, but while we search for the exam center, these are the things which comes to our mind first. CPA matlab Miles.